Hello friends, welcome to my channel Industrial Guruji. Hope all of you are doing well. So from today onwards we are going to start a series of lectures on basics of welding, and today we are going to cover welding positions. So what are the welding positions and what is its need? At site locations it's not possible to weld every job in a particular position. Sometimes welder has space available to move around the job, but in most of the cases there is not enough space available for welder to move. So by defining particular position one can visualize and understand the exact position to weld a job. Also it is helpful in welder qualification. Now there are different positions available for plate and pipe, groove and fillet welding. For plate groove weld positions are 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G, and for fillet weld positions are 1F, 2F, 3F and 4F. There is slight difference in pipe welding positions than plate welding positions. For pipe, groove weld positions are 1G, 2G, 5G and 6G, and for fillet weld it is 1F, 2F, 2FR, 4F and 5F. Now here G letter stands for groove weld and F stands for fillet weld. Remember this difference. Now we are going to see it in detail. Here I have shown a basic joint type single V joint to understand what is a groove weld. This single V joint is widely used over the industry. Weld terminology is also shown in it. Remember, G stands for groove weld. Now there are different preparations for groove weld like V, U, J, but we restrict ourselves here for V joint just to understand what is a groove weld. This is a basic fillet weld type T joint. We can see welding terminology mentioned over here. Remember this throat thickness. Now actually throat is a distance from root to face of a weld. We require it for understanding positions later. Now here we come to plate and groove fillet weld positions. 1G and 1F positions are also known as flat weld positions. In 1G position, weld deposition axis is horizontal and electrode is perpendicular to it. Similarly for 1F position, you can see weld deposited in horizontal axis with its throat vertical. Remember friends, we get maximum weld deposition efficiency in 1G and 1F position only. 2G and 2F positions are also known as horizontal positions as axis of the weld is horizontal. For 2G position, plate is in vertical plane and axis of weld is horizontal. Similarly for 2F position, you can see the axis of the weld is horizontal. 3G and 3F positions are also known as vertical positions as axis of weld is vertical. For 3G and 3F position, plate is in vertical plane with the axis of the weld is vertical. Here two different positions are shown. If the weld progression is from bottom to top, it is called as uphill position, and if the weld progression is from top to bottom, then it's called downhill position. 4G and 4F positions are also called as overhead positions as weld deposited is from underneath with the plate in horizontal plane. So guys, this is all about plate, fillet and groove weld positions. These are very simple to understand and quite interesting. Now coming to pipe groove weld positions. In 1G flat position, axis of pipe is horizontal and weld metal is deposited from above. Here, pipe can be rotated, so welder can weld pipe sitting in one position. It's quite easy to weld. In 2G position, that is in horizontal position, axis of pipe is vertical and axis of the weld is horizontal. Here, pipe is fixed, so welder need to change its position for welding. In 5G vertical position, axis of pipe is horizontal with welding groove in vertical plane. Here also if weld progression is upward, then it's uphill position, and if weld progression is downwards, then it is called as downhill position. In this position also pipe is fixed. In 6G position, that is inclined position, axis of pipe is at 45 degrees and pipe is fixed. If the welder qualifies in 60 position, then he also qualifies for remaining all positions. Welding in this position is not easy. It requires particular skill. Now coming to pipe fillet weld positions. These positions are a bit different from plate fillet positions. Here in 1F flat position, axis of pipe is inclined to 45 degree and it can be rotated during welding. Now for horizontal welding, there are two positions, that is 2F and 2FR. In both cases, pipe axis is horizontal, but in 2F, pipe is fixed, and in 2FR position, pipe can be rotated. Remember guys, this is the difference, that in 2F position, pipe is fixed, and in 2FR position, pipe can be rotated. In 4F position, axis of pipe is vertical and weld is deposited from underside. In 5F position, axis of the pipe is horizontal but weld deposited is in vertical plane. So friends, this is all about plate and pipe groove and fillet weld positions. Hope all of you have understood these. Friends, the position which I explained are given in ASME section 9. These are explained in clause number QW121 in detailed. And figures are shown in clause number QW460. So friends, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment below on what topic you want my next video.